Right, I am at DF Academy and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Saturday is, of course, the huge derby between Bellville High and DF Academy right here at the school. It's one of the oldest of derbies. Um, since 1990, they've been playing inter schools against one another, DF Academy and Bellville. I think Bellville has been the supreme team in the past few years, but DF Academy are on their way back. They are ranked inside the top 200, so I watch out for DF Academy. Let me give you a look of the school, and I'm also going to give you a brief background and history of the school. Right, this is now the rugby field. I believe this is the A field. Look at the beautiful. And they are located in Bellville, um, just outside about 5 kilometers from where I stay for the week, because I'm in Brackenfell. Now this is the pavilion. They've got a beautiful pavilion. Now this is where the action will be. This is where the action will be. I love the layout of the school. This is just some of the centrums, and then this is just a layout of the school. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at the beautiful building in the background, and you can see also some of the other courts, the tennis courts, and so on. Now, just to give you a background of the school, DF Academy was originally named DF Milan. They were founded in 1954. In 1954, they were founded. So it's a school that's 72 years old. 2026, in the beginning of January, they changed the name to DF Academy. They went through a legal process and they changed the names and are now known as DF Academy. They've always had a strong competitive rugby team. A well-known Springbok by the name of Werner Greef comes from DF Academy. Now, he was a fullback that played for the Springboks. In 2003, I think he was known for that winning try against Australia at Newlands, Werner Greef. So he comes from this school. They've always been competitive. I think they've had a couple of tough years, but they're back in the rankings. And they were currently ranked, when I checked the rankings, they were just outside the top 160. Bellville, of course, is ranked 87th, so they will be the favorites. But the nice thing about the underdogs is they've got nothing to lose. So I'm looking forward. I'm going to have an interview with the captain as well as the coach, CJ Diedrichs. We've had an interview with him before, so if you've missed the interview, please catch up on the interview. It's on our Schoolboy Bonanza group as well as our YouTube channel. The interview we had with the coach of DF Academy. Today I'm going to have right here at the pavilions at the field at 3 o'clock live. I will be having an interview with the coach as well as the first team captain to find out the feelings coming closer to the game. So please tune in at 3 o'clock. So from my side, it's a bit warmer. It's been a cold front here in South Africa, but from my side until 3 o'clock. See you then.